Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Sign into your Apple ID and make sure two-factor authentication is active so changes are secure. Open Wallet and tap Apple Cash to see which card is used for transfers and balance limits. Once done, get the new debit or bank card ready, either the number and routing or the physical card to scan. This speeds the process and prevents interruptions when Apple requests verification. Make sure your device is on a secure network before proceeding to edit payment methods. Next, you swap the card used for transfers. In Wallet, tap Apple Cash and then Manage or the gear icon to open payment settings. Choose Add Card to input the new debit or bank account. After adding, verify per the method shown, SMS code, immediate bank app confirmation, or micro deposit verification. This proves ownership and avoids failed transfers. Once the new card shows as verified, set it as the default transfer source and then remove the old card if you want. This prevents accidental use of the wrong funding source. To finish, make a small test transfer to confirm the new card is active and that limits or holds aren't blocking the flow. If the transfer fails, make sure the card type is eligible. Apple Cash requires a supported debit card or bank account for transfers, not all credit cards. If verification or transfers still fail, note any error code, restart wallet, and contact your bank or Apple support with screenshots. This helps resolve holds or mismatched account details quickly so you can resume normal transfers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.